Hey guys, welcome to TalkCrypto. Just in the car again, and I thought I'd quickly share with you a little bit of information you might not have seen. This was a post on X by a crypto analysis guy called Willy. Most of you probably would have heard of him, and if you haven't, definitely check him out. Long story short, he was just talking about the spot Bitcoin ETF inflow potentials, and sorry, I just pulled out from this car, otherwise I wouldn't get out. And yeah, long story short, he's saying obviously he's looking at price ranges. It's not necessarily a price target per se, of between 650k at the peak to 91k at the bottom, and he's saying these are conservative estimations. This is based on the potential allocation within the ETF space, with fund managers allocating around about 2% of their assets under management. And you know, he was saying basically the assets, sorry guys, I'm trying to drive and talk and remember a few figures, so you'll have to forgive me, so it might not be 100% accurate, but long story short is there's about 100 trillion of assets ready to deploy, and he was saying a typical allocation is around about 2%, so that equates to roughly, well, obviously $2 trillion into Bitcoin, and obviously that will increase over time. And based on those figures, that's what he was sort of talking about, and explaining how those sort of figures come about. But his point was very much these are sort of conservative figures, and I think that's quite interesting in many respects. It sort of reinforces a lot of potentially where the figures may, you know, where Bitcoin price might go, and indeed it's quite interesting in terms of the perspective of where it is now to where the low might be when Bitcoin, you know, obviously comes down from those big highs. You know, if the low is potentially going to be, you know, 90 odd K, you know, investing now is still, you know, is still going to be in a huge profit when that time may come. So it was a really interesting little read, definitely worth checking out Willy on X, and just sort of gleaming some of those insights. So it was just a really quick video, quick update on spot Bitcoin ETF and how the inflows from the institutions could affect the price action over the next, well, while we're in this bull cycle. So little update, I hope you liked it guys. Give us a little thumbs up, subscribe, do all those amazing things, really appreciate it, and I look forward to catching up with you guys soon. Take care.